Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Sound Settings, click Start, type Sound Settings, and press Enter. Once there, make sure your mic is physically connected or paired. This prevents ghost errors. You must select the correct input device from the input drop-down so Windows targets the right hardware. Also, check the input volume slider. It should be above 0. Do this now so the system will show real-time levels when you speak, and we can continue to unmute properly. Next, click Device Properties, then choose Additional Device Properties to open the classic dialog. On the Levels tab, raise Microphone and Microphone Boost to audible values. This directly affects capture volume. Once done, switch to the Advanced tab and uncheck options that allow exclusive control by apps. This prevents conflicts where one program mutes others. Make sure format is compatible, such as 2-channel, 16-bit, 44,000. Finally, return to Sound Settings and test your mic using the test bar or open voice recorder and make a recording. You should see level movement. If it still appears muted, go to Privacy, select Microphone, and make sure App Access is enabled. Windows can block microphones globally. As a last step, update or reinstall drivers in Device Manager under Audio Inputs and Outputs. If problems persist, reboot, recheck connections, and try a different USB port or headset to isolate hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.